Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. Alright, so let's begin with removing cache. So let's open the settings. Right here we have to scroll down and find the apps and tap on app management. Here in this list, find the app which causes you some problems, or you can do it a little bit faster. For example, find the app, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on app info, and you will be immediately transferred to the proper section. First of all, the first thing which I highly recommend to do is to tap on force stop, because sometimes if the app is working in the background, it might interfere and block the normal usage of the app. So first of all, force stop and tap on force stop again. And secondly, go to storage usage. And here we've got this cache section. Cache are junk files which are normally saved by your device, but they are not necessary to use the app properly. But sometimes they might interfere with the normal usage. So just tap on clear cache, and after that, so after force stop and storage usage, I mean clearing cache, you can try to open the app. If that won't work, then repeat all of those steps, so force stop and clearing cache, and restart your device. To do that, you have to press the power button and volume up button together once, and drag this ball to this restart option. Your device will automatically power off and then power it on again. And basically this operation is to kind of confirm all of those changes. So hopefully your app will work perfectly fine after that. If not, you can try to find the updates. So simply enter the Play Store. First of all, you need the internet connection, and secondly, you will be able to do that if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can either do it after entering the Play Store or using the settings. We've got a tutorial of how to add or remove it, so feel free to check that if you need to. And after entering the Play Store, I highly recommend to simply tap on search, tap on this bar here, and enter the name of the app which you wish to update. So just tap on it, and your device will show you the app and the information that it is installed. And all you have to do is to tap on update. Your device will download the new version and overwrite, I believe, the newer version over the old one. And there is a chance that the app will work perfectly fine after that. If not, then I highly recommend to simply uninstall the app first of all. Your device will automatically uninstall it, and after that install it again, because your device will directly download the new version and install it, and because some overwriting might cause also some problems. So just tap on uninstall and then install again. If that don't work, then I highly recommend to check whether you've got a new system version. So to do that, let's enter the settings. Of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection. Scroll down and find system and updates. Then let's tap on software update, and if you've got any kind of software update pending, I highly recommend to download it and apply it, because sometimes those older versions might not be that compatible with new app versions. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.